From time to time you will see that there are huge candles on the chart, and you might see days where nothing happens, and sometimes everything happens within a very short period. Like in this case, this is just one candle with several trades that have been executed, and this is the ICCI oscillator, and as soon as it goes below the lower line here, we might see the next trade, and this next trade can last for minutes, hours, days, or even weeks. It all depends on the price movement, which is very rapid right now. So maybe we will see a new trade within the next few minutes, or sometimes you won't see anything happen for 50 candles in a row. And that's where people become impatient and start to manipulate their system, because when it's boring you want to see more trades, or otherwise if you see a lot of trades within an hour or so, you might become fearful. Here is the next trade. It has been opened just now, and you see that the price is going up and down. Currently we have a balance of $100,253, and when you click on the history tab here, you will see that within the last few minutes we have had all these trades here. So basically from here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 entries. Now we have $100,253. A second trade has been opened within a few seconds. This is what I call a Forex Quake. And lots of people get nervous when something like this happens, because we don't see that very often. But when it happens, they try to do anything. Either they are closing trades because of fear, or they open new trades because of greed. And that's when you can see price movements of a few $100 within a few minutes. So if we zoom into this chart, we can see these two lines here. These are moving averages, so currently we are in a slight uptrend. And I guess that we will see a continuous uptrend for the next few days. But in situations like this, you never know. So it's always a good idea to start with a small risk setting. In my case, I have an account of $100,000, so $240 open loss is nothing that is frightening for me. But if this was an account with $1,000 equity, things would be much different. And you can see the equity is below 100,000 now. The free margin is even below that level. So I'm curious to see what is the outcome of this movement here. I think it's a good idea to trade a demo account like we do here, because most people will see things like this happen on their real account, and that can cause panic. Most traders lose all their money within the first 6 months, so it would probably be a good idea to invest at least 3 months to trade on a demo account. I have used demo accounts and real accounts for over a decade now, and all this real data is really valuable, because the more real data you have, the more real experience you can gain. And it doesn't matter if you get it from a demo account or from a real account. Okay, that's it for this video. I say thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.